Hello everyone, welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Karibu sana. In this channel hakuna matata. Welcome. Okay, for the subscribers, thank you very much for your support, for your liking, comments and shares. You guys are amazing. I really appreciate your support every time. Thank you very much. And for those who are not subscribed yet, please don't forget to subscribe so you won't miss anything that is happening in this channel. Well, today we are going to make a boil for a customer of mine who came to me, wanted a candy boil for his customers in his shop. So he chose the mold himself. Like, he wanted this particular mold that I mostly use for flower vase, but he said no, this one is the perfect boil for candies. I like it. I want it. So I said, okay, no problem. Customers are always right. So I made this special for him. Thank you very much, my customer. Today we're using different epox resin. It's a 3:1 ratio. It's because this is the only one that I had in my stock when this customer approached me, and I said, okay, let me do it. The epox that I mostly use for deep pour and bigger projects, but for this one I said, okay, let me do it. The only difference is that it takes longer to cure. Yeah, it takes at least 24 hours to cure. That's the only difference, but it's okay. Again, curing time depends on the weather and how big the project is. That is where it determines the curing time. Well, I poured different colors. I made matte colors before then with glitters, and then I poured these deep black colors because he wanted the unique color. I love demolding. You see, this is the time when I'm so curious, even though I make everything myself, but I feel like I just want to see the results. Every art is unique. Every piece comes out unique. Wow, look at that. Look at that. Looks great. Thank you for watching till this far. This is our boil. For those who are not subscribed yet, please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share so we see each other in the next video. See you. Bye.